Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add XLM to Trezor Safe 3. First, understand that while your Trezor Safe 3 securely stores your Stellar Lumens, you'll need a specific method to manage them. Your private keys for XLM are always kept safe on your Trezor device, ensuring top-tier security. We will guide you through using a trusted third-party interface to interact with your XLM, keeping your funds protected. Before we begin, connect your Trezor Safe 3 to your computer with its USB-C cable and unlock it. It's important to note that Trezor Suite does not natively support Stellar XLM accounts, so you won't find an option to add it there. Instead, we will utilize a reputable third-party interface, such as the official Stellar account viewer, which securely integrates with your Trezor device. Now, open your web browser and go to Account Viewer. Stellar.org. On this page, you will find an option to connect with your Trezor. Select this, and your Trezor Safe 3 device will prompt you to confirm the connection. Approve it on your device's screen. Once connected, the Stellar account viewer will securely generate a unique Stellar wallet address that is tied to your Trezor without exposing your private keys. To receive XLM, simply copy the Stellar address displayed in the account viewer and provide it to the sender. When sending XLM, enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to transfer. Crucially, always double-check and confirm all transaction details on your Trezor Safe 3 screen before approving. Remember to include a memo if the receiving exchange or wallet specifies it, as this is vital for successful delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.